Exploring advanced manufacturing techniques in the industry. The manufacturing industry has come a long way in the past few decades, thanks to the continuous advancements in technology. Various innovative techniques have been developed to increase productivity, efficiency, and quality while reducing costs and waste. Let's explore some of the most advanced manufacturing techniques that are being used in the industry today. Additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is a process of creating three-dimensional objects by adding successive layers of material. This technology is widely used in various industries, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and consumer products. 3D printing has revolutionized the way products are designed, prototyped, and manufactured, enabling faster production times and reduced costs. Automation. Automation involves using machines and robots to perform tasks that were previously done manually. With the advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, automation has become more sophisticated and widespread. It is being used in various manufacturing processes, such as assembly, packaging, and quality control, to increase efficiency and reduce labor costs. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of interconnected devices that can communicate with each other and exchange data. In manufacturing, IoT is being used to create smart factories that can monitor and optimize production processes in real time. IoT sensors can track the performance of machines, detect problems, and even order replacement parts automatically, reducing downtime and improving productivity. Augmented reality, AR. Augmented reality, AR, is a technology that overlays digital information onto the real world. In manufacturing, AR is being used to provide workers with real-time information and instructions, improving accuracy and efficiency. AR can also be used to simulate and visualize complex production processes, enabling better planning and optimization. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, involves using computer algorithms to perform tasks that require human intelligence, such as image recognition, natural language processing, and decision-making. In manufacturing, AI is being used to optimize production processes, predict maintenance needs, and improve quality control. AI can also be used to analyze data from various sources, such as sensors, machines, and customer feedback, to identify patterns and insights that can drive innovation and improvement. In conclusion, the manufacturing industry is constantly evolving, and new advanced techniques are being developed to improve efficiency, productivity, and quality. From 3D printing and automation to IoT, AR, and AI, these technologies are transforming the way products are designed, manufactured, and delivered to customers. As we continue to explore and adopt these advanced manufacturing techniques, we can expect to see even more innovation and progress in the industry. Digital twin. A digital twin is a digital replica of a